Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block adult websites for free using the freeware called K9 Web Protection, which you can get for free. This software can be used to block inappropriate websites that you don't want people going to. You can do more than just block inappropriate websites with this. You can block all kinds of websites, even gaming websites, social networking sites, all kinds of stuff that you don't want people to go to on your computer, especially if you're a parent and you want to protect your kids from going into inappropriate sites. So to get K9 Web Protection, do a Google search because it's a free program, and I've used it before, and it's an awesome piece of software and you can get it for free. So here's their website right now. I'm on their website, K9 Web Protection. If you look here, you have a free downloads button. You click on that and it will give you what you have to do is you have to write your first name, your last name, your email, and what that will do is it'll send you a license code for the software and along with a download link for the K9 Web Protection software to your email. So what you want to do is you want to fill in these boxes here. Once you filled in the boxes, you can click request license, and what that will do is it will send you a license key to your actual email. So you would now go to your email and look for the license key, and it will also be sending you a download link for the K9 software. So now you want to go to your email account, whatever your email you have, sign into your email, and you should have an email from K9 Web Protection, and you want to open that email up. And inside this email you should have an actual serial key right here, or a license key. And what you want to do is you want to copy that license key and make a new text document on your desktop. Go right click, go new, text document, and paste that license key into Notepad. Click save. Go back to the your email account, and you want to go in and you want to click the download K9 Web Protection button, and it will start to download. Actually, what it would do is it'll pull up a web page, and then here you'll choose Windows if you're running on Windows, or if you're on a Mac, you'll choose Mac, choose Windows, and click save it to your desktop, and let that download. It downloads real fast. Click run, continue for the installation process. Click next, agree to the license agreement. Now when you're installing it, it's going to ask you to enter your K9 user license key. When it does that, you're going to open up your notepad file that you have with the license key on it, copy it, or if you didn't do that, you can just get it from your email, and you want to just paste that license key in there. Then here you want to make a password so you can password protect the software. So if you're going to be the administrator of this K9 software and you're the person that's going to be telling what sites you want to block, you're going to have to password protect everything. So make a strong password up that only you are going to remember. Click install, and that will continue for this installation of the K9 Web Protection app. Once it's done, it's going to say completed, and it's going to ask you to reboot the computer. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot the computer. Alright, once the computer rebooted, you can now go and you can do an all programs, and you want to look for K9 Web Protection, and once you find it, it should be in your program somewhere, or you may do a search on your computer. Once you find it, open it up. Open up the icon. What that will do is it'll pull up your internet browser. And in here is where you're going to start setting up K9 Web Protection. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come down to where it says setup, and you're going to put in the password that you created when you installed the program. And here's where you get to work. So here you have the option to block all kinds of stuff. By default, you can set it to block adult, mature content, alcohol content, sexual content, lifestyles, alternative content, and extreme content, gambling, hacking content, nudity, spyware and malware resources, pornography sites, all kinds of nasty stuff, phishing sites, personal sites, dating sites. And I mean, if you don't want to block all kinds of these sites, what you do is you want to go down to the custom section, and basically in here you want to uncheck all the sites, or check the sites that you want to block, and uncheck the sites that you don't want to have blocked. So basically, if there's anything that you don't want to block, uncheck it and check the ones that you want to block. So you can see what they're all here. There's a bunch of different options, so simply make your decision from here, what you want to block and what you don't want to block. And from there, you can click save. And once you click save, it's going to say that the sentence has been saved at the top. You can now exit out of the browser. And now I'm going to prove to you that it's worked. So we're going to go into some adult websites here to prove that they've been blocked and locked down. So let's do one of the most popular adult websites here. And the website is completely blocked. So you see what website I've tried to go to, and it's completely blocked and you can't go to it now. And if you were to click allow this site, you're gonna have to prompt the password in. So this is where you wouldn't give the person the password. I mean, it's password protected. And let's go to some other websites that are inappropriate. See, it's also blocked this website too, which is another adult website, and you get the point. It's blocked it, and that's how you put parental controls on your computer, and to block all kinds of sites you don't want to go to. And thanks for watching this video, and if you please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe to this software has helped you.